कि जब आप टार्चर रूम में जाते हैं कि मतलब आप देखेंगे उधर मतलब
When you enter the torture room, you can see where someone's blood has been dripping. You can see where someone's been vomiting. And the smell, there is such a smell as soon as you enter the room. You are uncomfortable with the smell there. When a man is taken to the torture cell or taken to the torture room, he thinks about how his soul will slowly leave him with the use of the torture tools there, and that it would be better if they kill him at once. His death, his end, the agonizing pain that is caused by the torture, he feels in his body as soon as he enters the room. Whatever the torture is, it's a naked dance of shame. A person wears clothes to cover his body. In the torture room, it's not just a person's body that is tortured, but his existence is tortured. His soul is also tortured. When they took me to a torture center, the environment was strange. There was a strange smell. It was a dangerous smell, and as soon as a person entered, he got in such a state that he would feel lightheaded. Then, when I looked around, there were some tools which were tools for torture. During this, I happened to look at the wall, and there were big spots of blood on the walls. And at one spot, there was writing. Someone had written in their blood. I don't know who wrote it, but it read, "Life, I entrust you to my murderer today. I can't bear to die this death day after day." It means that today I am with the killer. He should finish me today. He kills me many times in a day. If he kills me once and for all, at least I will be free from this tyranny.